Good day, colleagues, Indian friends. Let me start the presentation of the study Third Wave that had launched EMC Academic Alliance Russia CIS. This is Big Data Analytics Multicenter Open Volunteer Study with participating of 3 universities from Russia. Today we completed the first phase of the study and launched the second phase. The study has been named after Alvin Toffler's third wave concept about information era. During implementation, the Multicenter Study third wave was used Bill Schmarzo 6-steps approach for big data analytics projects that helped to gain the main findings. Step 1. Identify key initiative. Was chosen the case study of big data analytics, the image of the countries in the global internet. Was developed the hypothesis of assessment how countries' image and economic indicators are reflected in the internet. Here you can see the diagram that we made using morphological analysis of web pages and social networks. This is the ranking of the countries by criteria identified in the study. I will explain the details later. Step 2. Identify strategic nouns. In our study, Google and Yandex are considered as non-classical hybrid supercomputers with API access as a service. We implemented the variant of morphological analysis, count of specific keywords from web pages and social networks. On the slide, you can see the selected keywords for data mining: terrorism, terrorist, occupation, narcotic, violation, democracy, development, drip, irrigation, mobile phone, solar panel, nuclear power plant, oil. Based on dominant keywords were identified positive, democracy, development, and negative, terrorist, terrorism, narcotic, image groups of countries. And also were identified 2 groups of countries by economic trends from 2008 to 2015, from oil to oil and from oil to IT. Step 3. Brainstorm strategic noun questions. During our study, we answered to 3 types of questions: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. Looking to this picture, we can make descriptive analytics, assessment of the image of countries in the internet for past 15 years. Countries were set into positive or negative image groups. Light circles belong to the positive group of countries, and dark circles belong to the negative group of countries. Also, we can make predictive analytics, positive or negative forecast for countries. Countries were set into 2 groups, with indication to change of technological order from oil to IT after world financial crisis in 2008, or with indication to absence of change of technological order. The axis Y is the number of keywords mobile phone and oil in millions, and the size of circles is number of keywords solar panel in millions. Countries in the group with indication to change of technological order have a better forecast. Here you can see that countries belonging to the positive group, indicated by light circles, are characterized in the most cases by more number of keyboard solar panels, and also in the most cases they belong to group with indication to change of technological order to IT. Countries from negative group, indicated by dark circles, in the most cases are characterized by less number of keyboard solar panels, and they belong in the most cases to group with absence of change of technological order. Using interconnection between dataficated dominant keyboards can be shown which country has more or less capacity for innovation and advanced technology development, or which country has more or less terrorism problem, and also which country is more or less prepared to the new energy market. Prescriptive analytics in our study is the understanding what affects to positive or negative forecast for countries. For example, Turkey, Tunisia and Libya are in positive image group, but they have low indication to development of solar energy in comparison with other countries in the positive group. That worsens the forecast for these three countries. The prescriptive point is to develop solar energy and IT more. Step 4. By analysis. We chose 3 rows of data. Rows by keywords, morphological analysis, rows by years from 2000 to 2015, and rows by countries' names. These 3 rows help to make the ranking of the countries by criteria identified in the study. Step 5. Score technique. Implementing this step, we have to look to present global indexes as the reference points. For example, we took Fragile States Index. Here you can see the overlap of ranking of the countries by Fragile States Index and the ranking of the countries by keywords from data mining. The diagram has 5 circles. External first circle includes colors from better forecast, light bars, to worse forecast, dark bars. Second circle, positive light bars or negative dark bars, groups of countries. Third circle, change of technological order to IT in 2015, light bars, or absence of change of technological order, dark bars. Fourth circle, growth of keywords solar panels from 2008 to 2015, light bars, or absence of growth, dark bars. And internal fifth circle, growth of keywords drip irrigation, light bars, or absence of growth, dark bars. As you can see, The diagram, based on keywords from our study, is quite close to fragile states index ranking in terms of better or worse position. Step 6. Close the loop. Recommendations worksheet. Big data analytics helps to understand future trends. Has been found the change of technological order is coming the era of solar energy. Text big data has to be investigated to develop new indexes for rating of the countries. On the whole, was shown that unstructured arrays of keywords reflect the real global society processes in the Internet. The accumulation of keywords in the Internet reflects the situation in the countries. What is the next step? We have to think about new global challenges. We very welcome the cooperation with India. India is a global laboratory for new models of development and new ideas for global market due to its big population, democracy and flexibility of the economy. That is why India is a priority for a new large-scale project of big data analytics. It is of interest to investigate Internet as open system of linguistics culture, implementing text big data analytics. So, you can find more on this page of EMC Academic Alliance in social network in Russia, vk.com, and you can visit website of EMC Academic Forum. Also, you can find more about this study on the website of Security Analysis Bulletin. I conclude, this is our study research team. Thank you very much.